So if you're stepping into the world of vinyl and looking to build your collection here in Jamaica, here are 3 must-visit spots to get your perfect record. Let's go crate digging. First up is Rockers International, Jamaica's oldest surviving record store right here on Orange Street, aka Beat Street. Founded by Augustus Pablo, this place is a time capsule of reggae history. If you're looking for rare used records, this is the spot. I got some classic albums here like Marcy Griffiths Naturally and a few Dennis Brown, and this classic Sarah by Frankie Paul. Next is Street Supply, Jamaica's go-to for brand new pressings. Whether it's Protege or I Wayne, this store keeps it modern while staying true to its roots. Perfect for collectors who want that fresh vinyl smell. I got my hands on Gregory Isaac Night Nurse, and this is a must-have album for true reggae lovers. And of course, if you are a Bob Marley and Wailers fan, Tough Gong International is a must-visit. Founded by Bob Marley in 1965, this legendary studio and pressing plant lets you take home a vinyl made right where the magic happens. Imagine playing an album pressed at Tough Gong. Talk about history in your hands. I got the Natty Dread album, which is the 7th album by Bob Marley and the Wailers. So whether you're hunting for classics, fresh presses, or even that one record that you didn't even know you needed, Jamaican vinyl scene has something for you. Happy vinyl hunting.